as you can see, the one in the front, you can see the hair. Is this thing on? Let me stop. Good morning, you guys. I'm about to say happy birthday. What? Okay, I'm not a morning person, clearly, because I'm chatting rubbish. But as you can see right now, I still have these faux locks in. It's week 3, and I don't even know how this happened, but some way, somehow. Ooh. Come on, edges. Monique could fight me. I'm gonna wear my scarf out. I need to lay my edges. You got me messed up, okay? But as you can see, the one in the front came out. So I'm gonna show you guys how to basically retwist it and refresh your hair without having to take the whole thing out if you're not ready to. So what you're gonna do is, if I could find out, you gotta pull the bottom. Okay, maybe not. So what you're trying to do is find the bottom where you wrapped it up. If you haven't seen that tutorial, I'm gonna link it up here so you guys can go and watch it. But you're basically trying to find the bottom of the, there we go. I'm like, you pull it down. I know you usually do that and it comes apart. And then you just untwist it in its opposite direction. Yeah, this looks crazy. So just keep twisting. And eventually it'll come apart. It is hot in here, goodness gracious. Summer is out here with a vengeance, okay? Whew. Let me turn this down. Sorry, Donald Lawrence, you're gonna have to be a little quiet right now. I ain't getting copyright for you. So yeah, so you untwist the hair like that, and it will start to come apart. Come on, keep going. There we go. Now we make a headway on it. Twist. There we go. Just be patient with it. It will come apart. It might take a little bit of time, but you can see the luster of the hair is not as bright as it was when I first did them, which I kind of like because then they look more natural. Yes, I'm in the middle of my parking lot doing this craziness, and no, I don't have tints on my window. Isn't that insane? But who was going to check me? So now you're gonna get to the top of the braid, or the top of the dread. There we go. You're gonna undo it. So now you have your 3 parts. Now because I don't have my crochet needle, you can do this without a crochet needle. Essentially what you would do if you had the crochet needle is though you would take the hair out and feed it through the top part of the braid. But because I don't have that, and we're gonna do it without it, what you're gonna do is take the hair and you're just going to retwist it and tighten it, like how we did in the tutorial. That's literally all you do. You just take it and twist it and twist it. I probably look crazy right now, but yeah, that's it. So see, like compared to this one, you can see that there's growth, and now this one looks like it's brand new. So you're just gonna twist it and just retwist the entire dread back until you finish the braid. And I hate when this gets caught under my nails. One thing I will say is if you have nails, whether they press on long nails, like, it's annoying. So there you go. As you can see, it's the gray for me, love. But as you can see, the hair's back secure into the dread, and it looks brand new back at the scalp. So you're gonna do the same thing you did before. Just continue with that. And how long was this? Okay. Twist it back to how you like it. And that's why I will always say it's better not to burn the ends, because when you burn the ends, a lot of times you have to cut it and then it becomes frayed and stuff like that. So it's better just to twist it back. Twist it back up. And boom. Let that baby go. Let it do its thing again. And as you can see, we're back to normal. Compared to this one, where So it's been, like I said, about 3 weeks. So I look a little crazy. I'm like all up in y'all grill. I don't know if I can pay y'all bills, but I'm like, look. If you know where that's from, just comment down below, because then I know you a real one. Let me stop. So I'm gonna put my scarf back on because I'm not ready to go inside yet. Ooh, over here dumping trash. What in the world? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's a cute little video, straight to the point, which is what I usually prefer. And I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, rest of the night, wherever you are, whatever time you're watching this. Thank y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.